Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm gonna teach you how to make a Nerf gun target. You can use whatever type of markers or colors that you want. At the end, I'm gonna show you how I colored it. Let's start. So you want to start out with a smaller circle in the middle. Then you want to put a 10 in it, and then you make a little bit bigger and you put a 9 in each spot, and then you make another one, and then you make an 8. And you can use whatever numbers you want. 7, 7, 7, 7. This is the last circle. 6, 6, 6, 6. And you can keep on going all the way down to 1 or 0. But there it is. You can cut it out in your last circle, and then you can tape it to the wall, and then you can try to hit one of them. And now I'm gonna show you my finished one. So here it is. I have red, orange, blue, red, orange, and I have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Just like this one. And there you go, a Nerf gun target.